Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your wallet on Bitget's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To remove or delete your wallet on Bitget's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bitget wallet application. The home page of Bitget wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on the box icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on your profile name. Scroll all the way down and tap on Remove this wallet option. Confirm deletion of your wallet by tapping on Yes. Enter a PIN code associated with your wallet's account, and that's how you will be able to delete your wallet on Bitget account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.